weighted averages. We have a little information. Turns out your term mark, sorry. Yeah, okay, let's say you're getting an 80% on your term mark. Okay? And your term is 70% of your grade. Your exam is 30% of your grade. And you want to get a total of, I guess we'll put it here, 85 in the course altogether. Okay? Your question is, on your exam mark, what does the exam mark need to be to get an 85 on this?
I remember now. You would take all these numbers and bring to the other side.
Yeah, that's right. We have to isolate. So let's set up the equation. What is the equation for a weighted average?
M1.
What does M stand for?
Mark.
Okay, so we'll call it mark. And
Or
usually they'll call it X times,
W.
I guess, yeah, W, I think. W being the weighting. So in this case, actually, let's talk about this. Which values are the weightings?
The weightings are the marks. I mean the exam, the term and the exam.
Exactly. The term and the exam weights here. So these are our W, our weightings, and our values are our X. So these are our marks. So to find weighted average, we take the sum of all of our weights times their marks. Times their X values, which in our case are the marks. Okay. And do you know what we divide by?
Total of the weighted. We add the total of the weighted per marks.
Why don't you look on that page there? It should say as a formula. If you jump back one, we divide by all of the
weighted numbers.
Yeah, all of the weighted numbers. Okay, and this is to find the weighted average or the mean in this case. Okay, so in this question, we've already given the mean. Our mean is 85. We want to have a mean or an average of 85. So we're going to replace our X bar with a value of 85. Okay, and we're going to break up the sum of. Well, there's only two values here. Our weight of 70. Okay, so we'll call it 0.7. And our X in this case is 80%. We'll call it our grade of 80. All right, plus, because this means sum of, our 0.3 times our X, which is our unknown. Okay, and then we know it's all divided by the sum of all the weights. Well, the sum of the weights is 0.7 plus 0.3. Okay, so 0.7 times 80, what's that going to give us?
56.
56? Right on.
That's 10.
Yeah, actually, I think you're right. It is 56. Okay. Plus 0.3 times x, which will give us 0.3x. All divided by 0.7 plus 0.3 is?
1.
That's right, 1. Okay, well, we know to move the 1 over, we'd multiply by 1, and that's not going to change anything. So we have 85 is equal to, sorry, I don't mean to write that right. Nothing's really changed here. 85 is equal to 56 plus 0.3x. Now, x is our goal. We have to isolate x, our mark. Well, this goes back to simple algebra. We bring 56 to the other side. 0.3x. And we don't need the plus anymore. It's positive 0.3x. What's 85 minus 56?
29.
So 29 is equal to decimal 3x. And we need to get x by itself, which means we need to move 3.3 over. So we divide by decimal 3.
96.6.
96.6%. So not as logical as we kind of thought. We were thinking maybe we just need a 90. You need a 96.6, so much more than half on your final exam to end up with an 85 in this course. Okay?